Natural disasters, also referred to as natural hazards, are extreme, sudden events caused by environmental factors, such as storms, floods, droughts, fires, and heat waves. Natural disasters are now occurring with increasing severity, scope, and impact. When we explore natural disasters in the context of planetary health, we are utilizing a systems thinking approach to grasp the complexities and anthropogenic drivers relating a given disaster to causes and effects. Globally, twice as many people were affected by natural disasters in the 1990s versus in the 1980s, and global annual economic losses from extreme events increased tenfold over the past for decades. Heat waves, droughts, fires, floods, tropical storms, and other natural disasters pose long-term health consequences. For example, particulate matter from fires reduces air quality and causes morbidity and mortality from cardiorespiratory disease. Flooding can cause biological contamination of water supplies, displacement, and trauma. More intense coastal storms, combined with sea level rise and loss of coastal barrier systems, mangrove forests, vegetated dunes, coral reefs, and wetlands, generate a triple threat for inhabitants of low-lying coastal areas. Survivors of natural disasters face serious, yet poorly understood, physical and mental health impacts. It must be a priority to investigate trends in exposure to natural hazards, which populations are most vulnerable, and effective practices for reducing vulnerability. Nowadays, it is hard to distinguish between natural and human-made disasters. 378 The term natural disaster was already challenged in 1976. 6 human choices in architecture. 9 fire risk. 10 11 and resource management. 12 can cause or worsen natural disasters. Climate change also affects how often disasters due to extreme weather hazards happen. These climate hazards are floods, heat waves, wildfires, tropical cyclones, and the like. 13. Some things can make natural disasters worse. Examples are inadequate building norms, marginalization of people, and poor choices on land use planning. 3. Many developing countries do not have proper disaster risk reduction systems. 14. This makes them more vulnerable to natural disasters than high-income countries. An adverse event only becomes a disaster if it occurs in an area with a vulnerable population.
Allora il pezzo là che sta cadendo, va.
Ah.